Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. In this video, I will show you how to cancel your visa application once you have applied and get refund. So this is the visa application in which the visitor visa was applied. So similarly, you will have your same application, skilled worker visa or healthcare worker visa, whichever the visa application, they are all same. So this one is the visitor visa application. So you will get an email. So you need to go back to your email. When you submit your application or sign in, you will get a link over there. That's the link you need to use. Once you click on that, you will come to this page. Do you want to resume your old application? So you have your old application and current application. So what's the difference between? So for example, it's the same application, but it will show you like old application because you were doing that application, new application because you are on this link. So whichever you click, is better to click this one. You will get it will ask for the password because obviously you have to sign in again. Once you sign in, you will come to this page. Start application document declaration, further actions. So now you can see mandatory actions, download checklist, which was meant to be you download it and you submit it to the home office at the time of the biometric. Make arrangement to your biometric. So if you have booked your biometric, you will see this. But if your biometric is not done, you can still cancel your application. So optional action, download a copy. So you can download a copy, which is always recommended. Save it, cancel your application and get refund. So your application detail cannot be changed. If you need to change any for information, you will need to cancel your application and submit a new one. You can get a refund if you cancel before you have provided a biometric. So if your biometric is not done, this is how you cancel. You click on this link and you will cancel and you will request for the refund. In either case, you need to get the refund. The fees don't get done with that. This is the mandatory document checklist. I recommend that download this checklist. So in case if you need it for future purpose, you should have it. It's important. Keep all these documents in your drive so you know whenever you need them. Okay.